Welcome to the Top Engineering Approach channel by Dr.G.R. In this class, we see about the projection of pentagonal prism. Let me read the problem first. A pentagonal prism of side of base 25 mm, height 55 mm rests such that its base is parallel to and 12 mm above HP with a base edge parallel to VP. Draw the projection. First, should know about pentagonal prism. It is a five-sided prism. It has two bases of top base and bottom base. Imaginary axis at the center. It has 5 edges and 5 plus 5, totally 10 corners. These individual names specified to pentagonal prism is very important because when a problem is given in wordings, they must be properly understood while reading. Now, problem should be understood first. That is, pentagonal prism base is parallel to HP, that is horizontal plane, is given. Hence, main true dimensional view can be drawn only on HP. Also, base edge is parallel to VP. Also, it is vertical or perpendicular to HP. So, this is also under axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP type of problem, like that of previous one. Since true dimensional view comes on HP, first draw the pentagonal prism as shown. Please remember, base edge is parallel to HP given in problem. Hence, first draw XY line as shown here and then one parallel line, that is QR, as shown with 25 mm length at sufficient distance below XY. All other drawing procedure may be followed through any one method and complete the top view on HP as shown. For this, the methods of drawing from the previous video class number 3 of this channel may be referred if necessary. Now, mark all the 5 corners as P, Q, R, S, T letters as shown. Also mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the corresponding numbers, etc. within brackets at the same point, which are invisible coinciding corners when viewing as top view. Next, project all the points to elevation as shown here, that is in VP to required height based on the problem. Here 12 plus 55. Draw a parallel line to XY from bottom base of the prism by taking 12 mm above XY. This is one of the conditions given in the problem, that is base not lying on HP. From this hexagonal line, draw another line at 55 mm height above, because the height of the prism is given as 55 mm. Then first mark all the joining points of the projector lines at the bottom base as 1 dash, 2 dash, 5 dash within bracket, 3 dash and 4 dash as shown. Also mark at the top base joining points as P dash, Q dash, T dash within brackets, R dash, S dash, etc. While marking the points, imagine the position and understand which points are at the bottom and then at the top. Here P, Q, R, S, T related are all at the top base and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 related are all at the bottom base. So ensure the corresponding points are marked in front view based on top view, that is T dash and phi dash has come at the middle in front view based on the T and phi corners at top view. As usual, all invisible points are shown within brackets both in top view and front view, that is the within bracket points and numbers are to be noted. Now, after completing all these procedures, ensure and complete thick and thin lines as shown here. Invisible edge based on line T dash phi dash shown within bracket should be shown in dotted line as shown here in the front view. Also mark the required dimensions. All views are now completed as per requirement. Also, side by side, to do the problem correctly, follow the step-by-step procedure for easy understanding and easy drawing through methods. Now, we will see in the next video class. Your subscription would be helpful for the continuity. This is by Dr.G.R. Thank you.